counter-terrorism. And that's really the problem. And
Right, let's also now go across to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's video address at the event Global Citizen Life.
Namaste. It is a delight to address this young and energetic gathering. In front of me is a global family with all the beautiful diversity of our planet. The global citizen movement uses music and creativity to bring the world together. Music, like sports, has an inherent ability to unite. The great Henry David Thoreau once said, and I quote, "When I hear music, I fear no danger. I am invulnerable. I see no foe. I am related to the earliest of times and to the latest." Unquote. Music has a calming impact on our life. It calms the mind and the entire body. India is home to many musical traditions. In every state, in every region, there are many different styles of music. I invite you all to come to India and discover our musical vibrancy and diversity. Friends, for almost 2 years now, humanity is battling a once in a lifetime global pandemic. Our shared experience of fighting the pandemic has taught us we are stronger and better when we are together. We saw glimpses of this collective spirit when our COVID-19 warriors, doctors, nurses, medical staff gave their best in fighting the pandemic. We saw this spirit in our scientists and innovators who created new vaccines in record time. Generations will remember the manner in which human resilience prevailed over everything else. Friends, in addition to COVID, other challenges remain. Among the most persistent of the challenge is poverty. Poverty cannot be fought by making the poor more dependent on governments. Poverty can be fought when the poor start seeing governments as trusted partners. Trusted partners who will give them the enabling infrastructure to forever break the vicious circle of poverty. Friends, when power is used to empower the poor, they get the strength to fight poverty. And therefore, our efforts include banking the unbanked, providing social security coverage to millions, giving free and quality health care to 500 million Indians. It will make you happy that about 30 million houses have been built for the homeless in your cities and villages. A house is not only about shelter. A roof over the head gives people dignity. Another mass movement taking place in India is to provide drinking water connection to every household. The government is spending over $1 trillion for next generation infrastructure. For several months last year, and now free food grains have been provided to 800 million of our citizens. These and several other efforts will give strength to the fight against poverty. Friends, the threat of climate change is looming large before us. The world will have to accept that any change in the global environment first begin with the self. The simplest and most successful way to mitigate climate change is to lead lifestyles that are in harmony with nature. The great Mahatma Gandhi is widely known for his thoughts on peace and non-violence. But do you know that he is also among the greatest environmentalists of the world? He led a zero carbon footprints lifestyle. In whatever he did, he put the welfare of our planet above everything else. He highlighted the doctrine of trusteeship, where we all are trustees of the planet with the duty of caring for it. Today, India is the only G20 nation that is on track with its Paris commitments. India is also proud to have brought the world together under the banner of the International Solar Alliance and the Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure. Friends, we believe in the development of India for the development of the humankind. I want to conclude by quoting the Rig Veda, which is perhaps one of the world's oldest scriptures. Its verses are still the golden standard in nurturing global citizens. The Rig Veda says, Sangachadvam samvadadvam samvo manasi janata deva bhagam yatha purve sajjanana upasate samano mantra samiti samani samanam manah sahachittamesham samanam mantram अभिमंत्र एव समानेन वो हविषा जोहोमि समानिव आकुति समाना हृदयानिव समानमस्तु वो मनो यथाव सुसहासति. It means let us move forward together, speaking in one voice. Let our minds be in agreement and let us share what we have like the gods share with each other. Let us have a shared purpose and shared minds. Let us pray for such unity. Let us have shared intentions and aspirations that unify us all. Friends, what can be a better manifesto for a global citizen than this? May we keep working together for a kind, just and inclusive planet. Thank you. Thank you very much. Namaste.